Mount Everest ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world, yeah. Mortgage Dubai ain't got shit on me. Touch the sky, but you ain't got shit on me, 'cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you like there. I'm gonna show I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. They dropped around my beard. Got the fastest car soon. Oh, we can get out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? Don't grab my heart, I wanna die. Keep the pistol on the side. Guess it's you. She feel my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. In the room. Hope I make it out of here.
Y'all should know me well enough. Bitch better have my money. Play down, call me on my blood. Pay me what you want. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Bitch, give me your money. Who y'all think y'all frontin' on? Like blah, blah, blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Kamikaze if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you want it. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want it. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. I called a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. Like blah, blah, blah. I called a shot, shot, shot. Like blah, blah, blah. Bitch better have my money. Bitch better have my money. Pay me what you want. Bitch better have my. Bitch better have my. Like blah, blah, blah.
Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on, my friends? How are we all doing today? Why is the music not playing? Hold on, I gotta fix that before I say hello to each one of you. 1 second. What? Oh, hold on. Why is this? There's no bueno. 1 second. Oh, hold on. Shine bright like a diamond. Guys, my friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. This is my first stream this year, okay? This is my first. Okay, let's start that again. There we go. This is my very first stream this year, and it is good to see all of you. Well, it's my first stream this year on YouTube. I stream every day in the Nexus. Shouts out to the Nexus. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. First things first, can we please get a mic check? How is the volume relative to the not volume? Also, I feel like my voice is probably not on par. Man, I haven't streamed in a hot minute, guys. You're gonna have to give me some leniency here because I haven't. It's been a hot minute since I streamed. I gotta make sure. Is my mic? Okay, I gotta get the delay. Hold on. Hold the phone, baby. Hold the phone, baby. All right, now I shouldn't be late. Mic is good, sound is good, volume is good, the people are good, the camera is good. By the way, I am absolutely still. I'm doing renos, guys. I'm doing renovations, so the upstairs is downstairs. That's why it looks like this. Today, we're going to be talking about BTCZ, and we're going to be talking about ETHEREUM. But before we all do that, how are you guys, man? It's been a hot minute. I feel weird. I feel like I don't even know how to do this anymore, man. It's good to see everybody here, man. Shouts out to all 79 of you that are in here right now. Let's pump up the algos. Let's hit the like button. Let's leave some comments. Let's leave some tree emojis. Nexus check. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And let's get this bread, okay? So let's talk about what I've been doing. Let's talk about what I've been doing. And let's talk about what I might do, because we might have a trade here. We might have a trade here soon. So we're going to talk about what we might have here soon. But obviously, shouts out to all of you guys first. And I have to give a very quick shout out to Tommy Luck. A very special shout out to Tommy Luck, because I'm not gonna say why, but God bless you, Tommy. I'm glad that you're doing well, my friend. I'm glad that you're doing a lot better. Okay. All right, let's talk about it. Let's get into it, okay? Let's talk about it. Welcome back, everybody. It's good that you're all here, man. Good that you're all here. Yo, I'm new to my channel, watching from Medellin. Bro, I'm trying to come to Colombia in like June. I'm trying to come to Colombia in June, so maybe I'll see you there, bro. All right, let's get started, okay? So first things first, Biddy TC. We obviously shat the bed here. We just swept liquidity. So if I see a market structure flip here, which we might get very, very soon, I'm going to take a long, okay? Why am I going to take a long? Because we have all this liquidity that we could come for, okay? By the way, whoa. That was not supposed to be the liquidity that I meant to draw. By the way, if you've been on the channel, the last time that I saw you guys on the channel was a video, not the live. The last time that I saw you, like the last video that I posted, everything to a exact T happened, okay? I was long from here. Hold on, let me get my 0-calorie maple syrup out of the way. Okay, we were like somewhere here, and I went long, and I said that I was going to take profit up here, and I was looking for a scalp short here. I'm an idiot, and I closed the scalp short like an idiot instead of holding it down. Man, I'm forgetting that we're extremely overextended, and you should hold every short that you possibly can. What the heck is my hair doing? Just kidding, not financial advice. But what I will say is that I did take a short from here. I did close it way too early. I closed it like right over here like an idiot. I thought we were going to come up for another drive. That's why. Anyways, listen, that's all history. This is pointing down towards 93.6, which is a possibility. And in the last video, what I told you is that I was looking to short it here, and then I was looking to long it from here. I did long over the weekend. Obviously, that didn't attest to anything. This price action is absolutely abysmal. And now we just came back down and we hit this zone. And so now we'll see. We'll see what happens, right? I'm a very if-then trader. So it's like, if this happens, then I will do this. This low, we're at the value area low right now, and we actually just broke this, we just broke this block here. So I'm 50-50 on what I want to do, because there's liquidity up here, absolutely. However, at the same time, if this is a breaker block and we come back up, I'm shorting it. Yep. If we come back up to here, especially if we come back up like this, if we leave these lows intact and then we come back up like this, and then we get this, I'm shorting it down to here. And then from here, I will look to long it. Also in that video, in my last video that I said, or two videos ago, I said that my favorite scenario was to come down to 93K. So if we do come down to 93K and we leave all this liquidity intact, then, you know, we'll be looking for longs up to this guy and then potentially higher. But aside from that, there is nothing to do. Bitcoin is as boring as your boyfriend if you're watching and he's watching. This range is as boring as your boyfriend, truly. For the ladies, obviously. Okay. That's it on Bitcoin, man. That's it on, like, there's nothing even to do. I've already updated you guys on the channel. Ethereum is a little bit more interesting. Okay, Ethereum is a little bit more interesting because Ethereum had a pump. Now, I was long on ETH. This was given in advance in the Nexus last night. This position was given as well. I am looking for longs again on Ethereum, but the main target has been hit, and in order to actually long Ethereum, we need to watch Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin holds this zone, then you can long Ethereum no problem. We're at the value area low. However, if it does not hold this zone, then obviously ETH is going to shit the bed with it, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little line of liquidity. Maybe we could take a trade together on stream, but I'm gonna draw this liquidity line. I'm gonna put an alert here. I want to know if Bitcoin sweeps this low. I would feel a lot better if it did sweep the low. I would feel the best at this point if we come down to this low. So we'll have to wait and see. But we have to monitor ETH at the same time. Hopefully Bitcoin falls 2%, not really a big deal. At the same time, ETH falls like 1.5%. If ETH comes down to here, at the same time Bitcoin hits its low, I will look to long ETH over Bitcoin. I'm not looking to long. I don't really care to long Bitcoin. I care more to long ETH. That's it. That's the whole play. Thanks for coming to the stream. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Just kidding. I am so just kidding. Anyways, y'all talk to me though. How we doing, man? Medellin is beautiful. Hopefully we can get a trade in together. Let's see if we can get one in together. So right now, man, I'm telling you, if you don't take profit quick, like you don't win. You don't get to win. You know, you don't get to win anymore. My balance was so much nicer. I took profit, don't get me wrong. So this was the ETH position. So stupid, man. I should have closed the whole thing. Every time I don't close, it comes back. Every time I close, it runs forever. So that was my ETH trade this morning. So we made 4K this morning. I kind of fucked up last night. I'm going to make a video about that later today. So, you know, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe with the notification bell so you can see why I fucked up on that position. And then everything else is kind of just like whatever. So I'm not, that's the only position that's notable that I'm even in right now. So we're watching, okay? We're watching. I am interested in longing ETH more so than I'm interested in longing Bitcoin, but we'll have to wait and see. I didn't expect this move today, even though the position is here. I didn't actually expect it because it's like apparently President's Day and, you know, whatever else. So we'll have to wait and see what happens, but I'm not really in any notable position at the moment. And Bitcoin looks like it's about to shit the bed. So let's see what ends up happening. Guys, let me know. Do you think that... So, like, okay, I want to have a quick chat with you guys because sentiment to me is so fucking bullish all the time. Everybody's bullish all the time. It's honestly exhausting. But everybody else is saying that everybody else is bearish. I don't see everybody being bearish. I only see permabulls. So let me know what you guys think about that because that's what I'm seeing. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna trade it either way. But yeah, I don't really I don't know about the sentiment thing, man. I don't think about the sentiment thing. What the hell? I'm teaching my boys how to trade, and one of them just texted me. I just shorted ETH at 100x leverage. I closed at 28%. We rich. 80K bounce for a new all-time high. Yeah, I mean, like a lot of people get mad when I talk about 80K as if it's not like a few $1,000s away, you know? It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big of a deal at all, to be honest with you. But I'm telling you this, I'm praying, guys, pray with me. Pray with me. I'm praying that we get 104 or 102. Here, if we get 102 or 104 before we touch this low, or even this low, but preferably this low. Like, I don't even want to touch 91 right now. If we come up to 102 or 104 before we hit this, do you understand that I'm going to short 10 Bitcoin? 10 Bitcoin, I'm going to TP1 at 85K. When is section 5 of the series coming out, module 5? It's a good question, and let me check. Module 5 is ranges. I need some time, bro. I need some time. I haven't even started recording. I'm still planning it. I'm still planning it right now, so yeah, I'm still planning it. So here's module 5. Here's the plan right now for module 5. Here's the plan. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm planning it. I'm planning it out. I'm actually gonna start recording it today, so we'll have to wait and see. And shout and let it all out. Bro, yeah, 10 Bitcoin. I'm literally gonna short. If we come up to here and I see the confirmations that I want to see, up at 104 specifically, if we come in this box, I'm literally shorting 10 Bitcoin and I'm taking profit at 85K. If it happens exactly the way I want it to happen. And listen, I'm gonna tell you guys this. On Twitter, on the internet, on YouTube, everybody's like, oh my god, blah blah blah, this range sucks. Dude, we've been smashing. I've been fucking this range up, and I was on vacation for half of it. I don't like this song. I was on vacation for half of it, and we've been killing this range. And your broke ass car, and you say we go to Mars, fuck you and your mom. Man, I haven't been on the public YouTube in so long. I'm like not used to it. I need to get where are my tracks at? Let's do the way you make me feel. Man, where's my one like playlist at? Hold on, let me fix the music here. Let me fix up the music here. Don't want Tech House? I don't want Tech House. Where's my fucking playlist at, man? Whatever. Tech House it is. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of the plan, bro. That's kind of the plan. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. But, hey, I stick to my plans. And usually my plans, as of late anyways, my plans have been working out. So, you know, like I said, on Ethereum, we caught this long yesterday. This was not a short that I took. I didn't expect it, to be honest with you. I didn't expect it at all. So we'll have to wait and see what I gotta cook up something right now. I'm hoping to get this long now. I'm hoping to get this. So hopefully, you know what, let's set an alert here. Maybe we could take it together. And actually, while I'm here, the money song. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. Here, hold on. While we're here. Disclaimer. Where's my mic? Where's my camera? Where did my camera go? There we go. All content presented is a complete joke and should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto's a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real. The earth is flat. Viewer discretion is advised. Okay, thank you for tuning in. So if I do end up taking a position, I don't know how to trade. Don't listen to me. I'm really bad at trading. According to my haters, make money off of your liquidations. So definitely don't listen to what I say. And yeah, you know, if I end up taking a trade, I'll let you know, but don't follow me or counter trade me actually, because that might be a little bit more better. Am I really 5'2"? I am, bro. I'm really 5'2" and 3/4. I am. Look, let me show you. Let me turn this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna walk, but let me show you. Do not judge my background, because my background, I told you guys I'm moving. Not moving. We're doing renos. So let me show you. Okay. Oh, by the way, everybody and their mother was celebrating Valentine's Day as if I didn't buy my first pair of Crocs. I bought my first pair of Crocs, and nobody was talking about that. Everyone needs to grow up. Anyways, look, 5'2" and 3/4. Oompa loompa dooba dee doo. Yes, I am 5'2" and 3/4 though. I am 5'2". Those gray sweatpants, though. To be honest, when I'm like, small pack, dude, I'm not gonna. Anyway, that's funny. That's funny. If when you guys go to, yeah, I'm gonna ultra again next month. End of next month, I'm going again. So all are invited. Just don't stab me, please. But yes, I am going to Miami. I am going to Miami next month. All right, let's see what's going on here. Let's watch Biddy. Come on, Biddy. Show us your titties, Biddy. So I want to see Bitcoin. If I'm going to long Bitcoin without it coming down to this zone, which I'm kind of hoping it just comes to this zone now at this point. But if I'm going to long Bitcoin, then it has to take this low. I'm not touching it unless it takes that low. In which case, I'm looking more so to long ETH. I don't, like I said many times, I do not care to long Bitcoin. I do not. I'm not at this given moment in life. I don't care. What watch am I wearing? My watch is not that good, my friend. Let me show you. It is a $500 Citizen watch. It's a $500 Citizen watch. It's nothing to brag about. But I bought it last year. It was my first watch ever that I ever bought, and my next one's going to be a Rolex. And actually, funny story. I mean, it's not really funny anymore. It was a lot funnier a few minutes ago. But so this is my current balance. Let me show you. So this is my current balance on, I mean, this is not real. This is my real position here. Anyways, this is my current balance on this account right now. Okay. 22.5K. And I made a deal to myself and to the Nexus that if I can get this up to 30K by the end of this week, then I'm going to buy myself a Rolex. But if I don't, then I won't. And I'm going to show you which Rolex I'm going to buy. Let me show you. Thanks for asking. So, man, you guys are... This is the one that I'm going to buy. This guy right here. Man, this is like so annoying. Hold on. This is the one that I'm going to buy. Nothing crazy. 18K. Oh, my days. 18,000. Oh, my days. Why is it doing that? Okay, here. $18,000 Canadian. It's a starter. You know, a date just. But again, I've only ever bought one watch, and it was this $500 watch. And if I can get it up, like the balance up, then I'm going to buy it. For me, you know. But I need to buy a house and shit, so we'll have to wait and see. Whatever matches my Crocs. Whatever matches my Crocs, man. Daytona, you guys are crazy, brother. You guys think I got like 50K, man? Y'all think I got 50K to drop here? Listen, we got 149 people in here. We only have 48 likes. This is my very first live stream on the public channel. I stream every day in the Nexus. But this is my very first live stream in 2025. I was about to say 2015. In 2025. So please do me a solid. Share it out with your friends. Share it out with your ex-girlfriends. And share it out with your parents. And hit the like button for me, please and thanks. Because the more... Because the more that I get, the more views I get, and the better this is, the more I'll do the streams. I do not have a regular streaming schedule anymore. And I don't know the plan yet for that. So I'll let you guys know when I know. But for now, we shall see. Greetings, Thomas. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome you back to my channel. Live, anyway. All right, so let's see if we can take this trade together or take a trade together. I got to see what's going on right now, though. I need to see some market structure flips. I need to see a little something. I'll tell you what I am interested in trading at the moment. I am interested in Ethereum. Did this get hit? I don't know if that got hit. Hold on. Hold on. Let the boy cook real quick. Give me a second. Yeah, see, I don't know. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Did this guy get hit? Yeah, that got hit. So I don't care about that. Let me come to 10. Nothing on the 10. Let me come on the 5. Man, this is like a reminder to myself and to you guys. You gotta always take profit. If you don't take profit, you're gonna round trip. You're gonna round trip. Honestly, like this market condition is so boring. Your free Discord is desolate. Desolate? What does that mean? Desolate. Oh, deserted. Yeah. It's because everybody moved into the Nexus, bro. The Nexus is popping. Man, the Discord was bumping like before I made the Nexus. The Discord was popping. I think my Discord was the most active Discord always because I'm in there, man. I'm interacting with you guys literally all the time. So, you know, but then in the Nexus, we're in there literally 24/7. Like, basically, I'm gonna be honest, and I am here to shill it, but like, it just moved. That's all it did. That's honestly all it did. So that's why. But we were like, man, my free Discord was in there. Was the exact opposite of desolate. Was the exact opposite. Exact opposite. Yeah, the free Discord is kind of abandoned. Why Nexus versus Discord? You mean why the Nexus versus the free Discord? And if the answer is because so many people, like, man, just when I started, as soon as I monetized, things became better. And I'll tell you why. Because everybody's a fucking asshole, which is kind of why I had my hiatus on YouTube. Like, as if I need to be here. And when I made it paid, people, like, the people that actually want to be there and actually learn and that are good, like, you know, want to help and actually want to be successful and not just be given everything for free and be assholes and entitled, they all moved over there. Plus, you get like content as well. If you buy the bundles, you get access to the Nexus. No, you do not. But I will tell you this. First of all, I'm discontinuing the bundles. Don't even buy the bundles. It's not worth it now. It was worth it. Now it's not worth it. And let me explain why it's not worth it now. Okay? It's not worth it now because if you come to the Nexus, which the link is in the description down below. I think it is anyways. Maybe it's not. I need to update the description. Anyways, if you come to the Nexus and you go to the Nexus trading course, you'll get access to everything that's in the boot camps, but it's more structured, it's more laid out, and it's included in your membership. So you get my live streams every morning, you get my calls every morning. Look, let me take you on a journey in the Nexus here. Okay, this is the Nexus. We're talking literally 24/7, okay? I update the boys at 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 5 a.m. It doesn't matter the time. I've already given like 4 or 5 updates today alone, okay? But anyways, my point is I'm in here. I give my tea. I give my analysis. I give the confirmations. The Nexus course teaches you how to enter. It teaches you, like, guys, I don't do this. Look, and no disrespect to the ones that do this, but I don't trade this way, okay? I don't just, like, draw a golden pocket. Like, a lot of people do this. I see it. I don't just draw a golden pocket and I, like, put a position and I say, okay, the stop loss goes, like, below that low and then target, like, a 2-to-1. Like, people charge $100 for this. I don't do that. I do not do that. I'm very like, okay, I want to see this happen. I want to see this happen. I want to see this reaction. Because I'm all about getting high risk reward trades. Like, I don't care to get a 3 risk reward, 2 risk reward trade. You know, it's whatever. I'm a very like, if this happens, then I'll do this. If this happens, then I'll do that kind of trader. And the Nexus teaches you how to do that. So, like, right now, I'm not tweaking. I'm not like, oh my god, like, man, I'm chilling. Look, I'm chilling. You know, I figured it all out. So obviously, I'm not 100%, and I will never be 100%. No, nobody's ever 100%. But yeah, you know. So in my opinion, don't even bother buying the course or the boot camps, because in the Nexus it's better anyway. Sad you're not in the Nexus. Modules are fire. Thank you, man. I put a lot of time into the modules. Free stuff always would be great if people would appreciate it. I agree, bro. Listen, I did what I do free for a year, and all it did was get people to like slander me, you know? Like, fuck that. Fuck that. You bought 40 Solana at 195. Ooh, that's not good. I'll tell you this, I am in a long zone. So that's the next one that I'm looking to trade is Solana. So you can see Sol here, but I do have to tell you, my favorite Sol play, like of all of the ideas that I have currently, is to come down. My favorite play, macro, my favorite play is to come down to like 164. So, I mean, I can't give you advice. I can't tell you what to do, but I am looking along here. That I will tell you. That I will tell you. Bruno, you bought the boot camps yesterday? Well, I'll tell you this. Open up a ticket in the Discord and I'll take care of you. So you know what I'll do for you, bro? Bruno, open up a ticket and the boot camps are $300 for all of them, the bundles. So open up a ticket and I'll give you 3 months of the Nexus. So you can keep the boot camps and I'll give you 3 months of the Nexus. But just make sure that you, like, if you want that. I mean, if you want that. Sorry, I was so long away. If you have bought the boot camps, you still need to buy the Nexus. Yeah, so the Nexus is separate. It's a different product. I'm going to discontinue the boot camps. I'm going to take the boot camps down. It's going to only be the Nexus because the Nexus is a lot better than the boot. Like the boot camps are like, okay, you learn it. It's a class, whatever. But the Nexus is like, it's more structured. It's more laid out. And then the thing about it, the way that I have it structured is you get to see me do everything. Okay. I give you guys homework. Like you get to see me do things. So look at this, right? In the Nexus, I have course example section, right? So what I do is I'll give a course example, like something from the course, and then I'll even reference which lesson and which part of the course it's from. So if I'm looking for a certain thing like this, combining time frames, right? This is how I got these positions. This is the beginning of this current shitty range on January 27th. Okay? So, you know, in this regard here, I reference the lessons, and then I have a section in the trenches where you guys talk to each other and I hop in and like, man, my goal is to have the Nexus run independently. My goal is to have you guys, I'm not just trying to give signals and this is what I'm doing. I'm not doing that. This is like, you want to, dude, what's the tagline? What is the, look at this. What's the tagline here? Control your narrative. Am I going to control your narrative? No. You are going to control your narrative. That's my goal. My goal is to have you be able to do it on your own. Like literally my goal is that you don't even need the Nexus anymore. And then obviously in my best interest, it's better if you stay, but that's up to you to decide if you want to stay, right? So I teach you and then I show you in real time and then I reference it and then I give you homework and then we go back and we study and we do it all together and it's a whole network of winners. Not everybody wins, but everybody wants to win. We're all like-minded. That's the important part. You know, and we inspire each other. And myself included. They inspire me as well. So I've worked very hard to build this network. This is not a community. A community does not give a fuck about you. I've worked my ass off to build this network. And that's why I've been away, to be honest. On top of the fact that the public YouTube has been really annoying. But I'm back. I've been working on the course. I've been working on Nexus stuff, you know? Last time I was live, the Nexus wasn't even officially launched yet. So it's a premium product, and with the premium product, there comes a premium price. Absolutely. I'm not going to sit here and say that $100 is not a premium price. It absolutely is. But you get a lot from it. You get a lot. And in my opinion, it's worth it. But I'm biased. Like, don't listen to me. Listen to the chat. Nexus people, if you're in here, let the people know. Don't listen to me. I'm going to tell you to join. I'm biased. But I've worked hard to get here is my whole point. All right. Let's see. What are we doing? So Bitcoin's doing nothing. ETH is doing nothing. I'm looking along, but we'll see. Looking for longs, but we are a little bit too early. And I want to tell you guys, I want to teach you guys about the ETH long that I took last night. I'm going to make a video about it, but I'm going to teach you guys in that video because I kind of fucked up, man. I kind of fucked it up. So yeah, I kind of fucked it up. What was I going to do? Oh yeah, I need to edit the description. I need to make the description back to like being good. I'm trying to lay you down easy. All right. Yes, it is monthly. The Nexus is monthly. The Nexus is. Bro, you're in there. What do you mean? You're so in there. We talk all the time, unless you're a different Tommy Luck. Am I going to be doing any promo prices? No. You're in May. You also get Nexus for 3 months. You bought the bundle last year. Sorry, bro. The Nexus wasn't a thing at that time. Do I use exocharts? Okay, hold on. Let me answer these two questions. Let's answer these two questions. So yes, I still use Market Cipher. However, I don't use it how I used to use it. Okay. I don't use it how I used to use it. The way that I used to use it was I used to enter aggressively. I used to catch the knife. I don't do that anymore because of two reasons. Number one, the divs don't fucking work. Okay, that's number one. The divs don't work. The second reason is, and by the way, the divs used to work. Like, I built my channel piggybacking off of the Nexus or off of Market Cipher. It used to work. It doesn't work anymore. Like the way that I used to trade with it. So I don't use it in that regard anymore. I kind of just use it for like high time frame stuff. Like every once in a while I flash it on, but I don't like depend on it anymore. And the best way to explain it, and I don't mean this in like in an arrogant way, is I don't tell, like my quote that I say is like, I don't tell, hold on, what do I say? I say, I don't tell, indicators don't tell me what to do, I tell them what to do. And it's not from an arrogant place, but it's more of like, okay, I'm gonna build my narrative without it. I don't need it to tell me where price is going. It's just gonna be the additional factor. Whereas before, I used to be like, okay, we have a green dot on the 4 hour. I'm gonna look for longs. Now that gets you fucking wrecked. At least in my experience, right? So I don't use it in that regard in the same way. I'm using a lot more structure, and I'm using supply to demand flips. I'm using flip zones. Flip zones is real-time Market Cipher, but it's not delayed. So I use flip zones, and that's all taught in the Nexus. Okay, as for exocharts, I have exocharts. I don't use it. I try to use it, and every time I use it, I get wrecked, okay? I do follow order flow. I do follow, not order flow. I do follow CVD, okay? I do follow CVD. So I have a good idea as to whether or not CVD is bullish or bearish. Oh, like this is right now, a lot of people are shorting right now, okay? So in general, like I have a good idea as to what's bullish and what's bearish in terms of the CVD, but I don't use exocharts. I mean, I have it, but I don't use it. I use Coinalyze a lot more than I use exocharts. And the reason for that is I'm a structure trader anyway. I'm not trying to catch the knife anymore. When I stopped trying to catch the knife, which is the mistake that I made on the ETH long, by the way, like, look, I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. This position was a lot better before. It looked a lot. Oh, shit. Okay. This is my current ETH situation, right? So I made $4,000 today. But in order to get this 4,000, I lost 2,000 first. So this is not a win for me. Okay, it's not. Yeah, I made 2,000. Great. I'm not saying I'm not grateful for it. Absolutely, I am. But I'm not going to count this as a win. Right? I could have performed better. And unless you have a solid strategy, in my opinion, you have no strategy. Right? You need a systematic, mechanical way to enter, mechanical way to exit, mechanical way to find. Like, it needs to be as emotionless as possible. If it does this, you pull the trigger, period. You know? So Coinalyze gives me the same data that I need as EXO, but I'm not trying to catch any knife anymore. I can see it on Coinalyze. It's not about free or not free. I have it paid. I'm here, but it just doesn't, it's just not as good in my, it's not that it's not as good. It's that I've deviated from the way that I used to trade. And also I'm not great with EXO charts. Like using the footprint and shit. You don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need to see where the value area in one candle is, because I know that if I'm looking for a trade, like I can get in. Okay, let me show you this. Okay, I'm gonna give you an example. So a lot of people think like, oh, if you don't get in at the exact low, you miss the trade. No, you didn't miss anything. Let's look at Ethereum. I talked about it this morning in the Nexus stream. Okay. Ideally, you want to get a market structure flip coming out of a zone to confirm it. That's the way that I trade, right? So from here, you get your market structure break, right? This is your break of structure, which means off the bat, I already know that this is a protected low and I'm trying to get in from here. If you can jump in on a small time frame and identify a local accumulation like you had right here and you break it, you could have literally entered long right here and put your stop loss right here and then shot it up. And that would have given you a better risk reward than anybody that was catching any knife. Because where's your stop loss going to be? Right? So it's all about, but this is not, I wasn't always trading this way. That's the thing. I wasn't always trading this way. Right? My TA, I've been like, aside from the macro, like in the summer, the range, me being wrong about 70K, the 49K thing. Aside from that, I've been pretty spot on, man. And I'm not saying that to brag. It's just I trade differently than I used to with the market cipher stuff. Man, knife catching is the worst. Dude, there's no systematic way of doing it. You're literally just spraying and praying. Like, fuck that. That's not going to change your life. That's not going to control your narrative. You know, you're not going to escape any matrix doing that. You need a very systematic approach, a very safe approach, high risk reward approach. So for that reason, I don't need it. I definitely don't try to catch any knife anymore. Definitely not, because it doesn't fucking work. And yeah. So for the most part, I don't use any indicators anymore. For the most part, I still do. I still use market cipher, right? I have my template here. I switch it on now and again, but for the most part, I don't need it. I don't need it. Also, you don't need market cipher or any indicator to tell you when there's a divergence. You don't need it. You can see when there's a divergence. If you go up fast, right? Like, what even is a divergence? It's showing you the speed, basically, of the move, the velocity and the momentum of it. So if you have a candle that looks like this, and then your next candle looks like this, obviously that's going to be a divergence. Like, you don't need the oscillator to tell you that. Anyway, do I use volume profiles? Yes, I do use volume profiles. And actually, that's a good idea. We should pull the volume right now. Let's see. Yeah, so I really like coming down for ETH. I really like coming down to here. If we come down to here, I'm looking along it again. Okay, if you guys want to mark this on your charts, you may do so. Real quick, once again, all content presented is a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4" wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Your discretion is advised. So do not listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to trade. If you trade with me, you're going to lose all your money. Don't do it. But I do like this zone. Okay. And I'll say, I think even like 2 to 3 minute market structure flip should suffice here. If we do that, I'm longing it again. I'm longing it again if we do that. So we'll have to wait and see. That is the target for this short that I did not take. And we have to monitor Bitcoin at the exact same time. By the way, guys, if you were on the channel before this like year, because this is my first time streaming this year, you guys know, like, I've pivoted my channel. I'm not so much crypto anymore. I primarily do crypto, but I don't really care. I'm more about the trading stuff. So let me know if you guys like the trading stuff. Put a 1 in the chat if you like more of the trading stuff. And my trade recap videos are the videos that I enjoy making the most. So if you like that kind of content, drop a 1 in the chat right now so that I know. And hit the like button if you have not already done so. So let's see what happens now if we get to take a... let's see if we can get a nice position here. Shouts out to Jet. Jet, bro, I saw your message. I didn't reply. I'm sorry, but I hope I hope your stone baby passed easily. All right, cool. You guys like it. Great. Yeah, that's the content that's like fun to make. Not like, oh, I think that, you know, Bitcoin is digital gold. Blah, blah, blah. I don't care. Like, I don't give a fuck about that shit. Anyway, we're also going to be trading futures probably this week. You know, trading ES, NQ, and gold are going to be my primary futures trades. Are we at all-time high for ES right now? Yeah, we are, aren't we? What about NQ? NQ's up there as well. Okay. So there's a potential trade on NQ right now. Not right this very moment, but let me get rid of this here. And gold, man. I want to start trading gold. Because gold is like, dude, if you know how to trade gold, it's like the same as Bitcoin, you know? Digital gold, regular gold. So we'll see. We'll see where the channel takes us. We shall see. Brazil, you've been moving away from market cipher too? Really? You know what's funny is when I started trading and when I started the channel, I didn't even know how to trade without market cipher. Now it's almost like I don't know how to trade with it. I don't know if I lost my touch or what. I don't know. I truly don't know. You know, and like when for example, maybe in the macro stuff, it's like not great, but like when I'm on the daily time frame and I pull up Market Cipher and I'm like, look, there's divergence. Like, look at how shit this looks, right? Look at how bad. I don't care what anybody says, man. Look, you know, I got slammed for this range. By the way, this summer range, I was right about this, right about this, right about this, right about this. This I didn't take. This one, and then the rest I was wrong about. Actually, I was right about this. This I missed by ever so slightly, and then this, I was right about that. I was wrong about this, and then I was wrong about the rest. That was my track record on this range, and I got fucking shat on for that. And I'm like, look at the divergences. Look at the money flow. Whatever. We haven't had a correction. So now I don't even bother about that, man. Like, I don't care. You know, oh, we have daily bear divs. Well, the daily bear divs didn't work here. So what's the point? If they're going to work half the time and they're not going to work the other half the time, what's the point? Answer, there isn't a point. So that's kind of why I've like, you know, moved away from it. I still use it, but not the way that I used to. Before, I didn't even know how to trade without it. Now I, like I said, almost don't know how to trade with it. So you're learning market structure, supply and demand. Wyckoff seems to be the most logical strategy. I'll tell you this, man. It's the most consistent. And I'll tell you this as well. If you can't explain a trade objectively, then you're probably not doing something right, at least in the long term. And all of my trades, whether they're winners or losers, I can at least explain them. You know, that's the very first thing that I said on this channel is, hey guys, my name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. And that's what we do, baby. Do tight trigger waves have an impact on my entry decision? Not at all. I almost don't even have Market Cipher open when I'm entering. I don't even have it open. If you pull volume from the bottom, wait, hold on. If you pull volume from the bottom after weekly first confirm the higher low, after we're just above the value area high of the bull. Wait, hold on, Philly. Hold on. If I pull the volume, you're talking macro shit. So let's go on the daily. If I pull the volume from the bottom after the weekly first confirmed the higher low. So this guy here. We are just above the value area high of bull volume. Huh. Or do you mean like this one down here? Or do you mean like all the way back here? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the pull is, bro. 2023? Like this low? Wait, we are just... Bro, Phil, can you just send it to me in the Discord? I don't know, man. I don't know. Volume profiles are so cool. I'm trying to learn structure and VWAPs too. Yeah. So if I was gonna use any dynamic support and resistance, I would use VWAP. I like following volume because volume is objective. Now you can pull volume, like where you choose to pull volume from is subjective, but the volume that you pull, like volume is objective, right? Whereas EMAs, for example, I don't use EMAs at all, literally at all, because they make no sense. You know, a lot of the other creators, right? Not necessarily traders, but they're like, oh yeah, where do we bounce off of? We bounced off of, you know, the 200 EMA on the 8-hour time frame. And it's like, okay, like how did you... There's EMAs everywhere. There's an EMA here on this time frame. There's an EMA here on this time frame, here on this time frame. So you went to the one that it hit off of and you're like, oh, that's what it bounced off of. You don't need that. You know what I mean? So if I was going to use anything, I would use VWAP. I don't even use the VWAP, but I do have a template, which does have my VWAP here for me, just in case I need to, like, you know, have extra compliments. But for the most part, I don't need it, man. I don't need it. I build my narrative. I have my zones. I wait for confirmation. I take the trade. That's the order, you know, and I don't let anything else influence my decision. You know, that's going to be a video as well where the title is going to be your invalidation is your invalidation. My invalidation is the invalidation. If price comes down, if Bitcoin comes down to this zone, my invalidation is here. Not you longing, or you not. It's not you shorting against me. It's not everybody on Twitter telling me, oh, you're a perma bear and whatever. No, this is my invalidation. That's what I stick by. You know, that's how I do it. Okay. Maybe it's not MC and just a really choppy. Yo, dude, that's a fair point, CJ. That's a fair point. And I'm not saying that like, if I wasn't going to use Market Cypher, I would tell you guys, because I'm sponsored by them and I wouldn't accept the sponsor anymore. I still use it. But lately I've found that it's missing, and it's because the market's been mad hard. This cycle is different than any other cycle as far as I'm concerned. Okay. Wait, there was something I wanted to address. Oh, where did I start learning smart money? Okay, so from the beginning of my channel, I was learning smart money. I started learning smart money from Tino, from Trader's Reality. That's why I was using Tino's indicator, the Trader's Reality indicator, okay? I don't use that indicator anymore because I could just use the vector candle indicator, and that's essentially all I had on it anyways at the time that I, whatever. But learning about the market makers and how when price is rising, the sellers are the ones that are in control, and how it's not me versus you, it's me versus the market maker and you versus the market maker. Like, that all came from Tino. So the building the narrative part, the sentiment part, all came from Tino. That was all Tino. Like the psychological shit, all Tino. And then the technical smart money stuff was from White Phoenix, who I'm gonna have on the channel soon, by the way. Hopefully very soon. Him and I, we've been talking about it, so. But yeah, I'm an open book. I've taken influence from many. I've taken many courses. I learned from Jay. I learned from Tino. I learned from Phoenix. I learned from Photon. I learned from Daniel at Chart Champions. Taken like half of his course. So I've taken a lot of courses. I've spent a lot of money. I've lost a lot of money, and I've spent a lot of time getting to where I'm at. And then you just take the bits and pieces from everybody and you turn it into your own, right? That's kind of, and I think that's what everybody does. Not everybody, you're not born learning how to trade. So people take from here, people take from there, and then they make it their own, right? They develop their own strategies, and I've done the same as well. Take longs if the market session VWAP. Yeah, I don't use the VWAP stuff. Do I do any copy trading? No, I do not. I do not. But if anybody wants to trade on the same platforms that I trade on, the links are in the description down below. It is a free way for you to support me, like hitting the like button is. So I really appreciate anybody that does so. And if you don't want to do that, then that's totally cool as well. Phoenix is the best. White Phoenix is the GOAT. Listen, I'm going to tell you this. I'm going to go full screen for this because I think people need to hear this. And I've said this many times, and I've given credit where credit's due. And by the way, Phoenix and I are homies. Like, we talk all the time. We talk every day. I'm going to have him on the channel. Like, he's of all the other creators. I'm putting creators in quotation because he doesn't have his own channel out yet. But he, of anybody that you guys know, this is my opinion. I'm giving you my opinion. Of anybody that you guys know, Phoenix is, in my opinion, the best trader, including myself. He's better than me by far. I don't even think it's close. Just saying. So there's no secret that I have respect for the dude. And yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hey, how did I do? Hey, how you do backtesting? Did he used to do live streams? How did I do backtesting? I backtest every day. I practice every day. Even now, I practice the best. Or I practice the best. I practice all the time. All the time. All the time. Boyan is the best. Yeah. I don't know how he does his TA, honestly. No, Phoenix is not Jason. Jason is Jason. Thank you, man. God bless you. I appreciate it, brother. Am I scalping with order blocks? No, I don't swing trade. I'm more of a scalp trader. I can't this is my problem, and I've been vocal about this as well. Okay, so back in September, I'm gonna tell you guys a story. Okay, back in September, some dude came into my Discord and started just firing at me for no reason. Like I don't even know who he is. I never talked to the dude before. He was never on the YouTube. Comes in, he's like, Geo, show us your equity curve, whatever. And he's just like ripping on me, and I'm like, dude, fucking relax. Like chill out, dude. Relax. And I'm like, okay. So I showed him my equity curve, and he's like, okay, good. You're a real, like, you know, you're a real trader. You're doing more than most people will. I think he was just like one of those channels that was trying to like debunk channels for scamming and shit. I think like that's just the approach I got. Dude, he didn't give me any time to. I was doing a wedding. Anyway, whatever. So I gave him the equity curve he wanted. Not that I owe anybody anything. And, you know, at that point, I was like, okay, so I made a video about it. And I was like, listen, this guy came and he did this, he did that, whatever. But I want to tell you guys something. This is what I said in the video. I was like, listen, I'm working on building bigger positions. I want bigger positions. Okay? I'm working on getting bigger positions. How am I going to build these bigger positions? And I was like, the reason I'm bringing this up is because my equity curve is kind of all over the place because I'm mad emotional because I'm trying to build these bigger positions. Man, look, I got a lot of friends in the industry now. You guys know I'm friends with all of the market cipher people, right? The whole group of the market cipher people. I'm friends with all of them. Viva la Viva. He's in Jay's Discord, but I'm going to have him on the channel hopefully soon. Anyway, so I'm friends with all these people. You know, I got a lot of friends in the industry, and I'm trying to make, like, man, they're the crypto face is making $500,000 in a day and shit. You know, whatever, right? Everybody's on their own journey. It's not about what they're making versus what I'm making. But I'm like, okay, I gotta start, you know, compounding. I gotta start bringing in bigger numbers and shit. And so for that reason, like, I was mad emotional in last summer because I was trying to, like, you know, captivate the highest P&L that I could get, but while maintaining, like, you know, the emotion. It's hard, man, when you're up. And so to answer the whole reason I got into this whole, you know, tangent, man, did you guys miss my ADHD? Is because do I prefer swing trading? And the answer is fuck no. Because I don't understand. No, I don't understand. I can't hold these positions, man. Like, even today, this position, this ETH position that I'm in right now, was up like 7,000 before, and now it's only up 3.5. So I just lost my entire, like, dude, you know what I'm saying? And I don't think like, oh, I made 4,000. I think I just lost 3.5K. You know, I'm happy that I took profit up here, but I should have taken, like, this was my final target. I should have just closed the whole thing and then just look for a new trade, man, you know? Look for a new trade. Anyways, let's see what we get here. I'm really hoping that Bitcoin takes this low. So if we get something like this, let's get something like this, actually. I will long right here. If that exact thing happens, I'll long right there. Anyway, you have the same problem, man. Look, I know, like, a lot of people can resonate with what I say and the way I teach and whatever, because, man, I say it from the beginning of the channel. Like, it's not very long ago where I was on your side of the screen trying to figure out this game. Like, I'm not any better than you guys. I just do it full time, and now, you know, it's like the 10,000 hour thing. When you get a lot of hours, you'll learn it. Not like I'm doing anything that you guys can't do, you know, where it seems that way with some of these streamers and some of these traders. So I'm with you, man. Literally yesterday, last night, I told you that $4,000 ETH position, I lost 2,000 to get there. Like, that's not a win for me. That's me being stupid. That's me not controlling my narrative, right? I'm not controlling shit when I trade like the way that I did yesterday. And the reason I did is because I was trying to long the divergences and I was trying to catch the knife. Fuck that. Never again. CF is autistic. Hey, don't clip that. I was reading a comment. I'm not the one saying it. You're the same way. You find it hard to deal with retracements. Yeah, man. Like, you know, you could just take profit and then stop loss at break even. But these days, dude, you can't be in a trade for more than a day without it round tripping. Like, what the fuck is, dude? I made a video, like, what the hell is going on? If you haven't seen it, it's actually a very I got a lot of positive feedback, which I'm surprised. I'm surprised at it, but this video, if you haven't seen it, got a lot of views and stuff. And I made a video. I'm like, yo, what the hell is going on? I'm like, because everybody's bullish all the time, yet prices still going up. And we've had no retracements in 2 years. 0 retracements. Macro. The little dance, yeah. Dude, I gotta eat, man. I gotta eat my breakfast. My breakfast is here. Market makers. Yeah. Do I think forex is easier to trade? I don't trade forex, but Teddy in the Nexus trades forex, and he likes it. He likes it. He likes it. Should we hit the money song? Okay, let's hit the money song. What's for Brecky? Brecky Hill? Bitch is bad. We're having eggs, brother. 200 grams of egg whites, 2 whole eggs, half a bagel, and 0 calorie maple syrup, because egg whites are freaking disgusting. So let's hit the money song while Geo can catch a bite, shall we? Oh, that's not the money song that I wanted. Here comes the money. Money, 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 money. Here comes the money. Let's get money, baby. Okay, listen, the OGs. The OGs. Drop the money bags in the chat right now. Let's see if we can get into a position here. Drop. I want to see some money bags. Hold on. I'm going to make the volume. Let me see the chat. I want to see money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags.
Let's get money. 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 Money.
Sponsored by 0 calorie maple syrup.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get me, motherfucker, get money.
I forgot how hard this shit is.
Get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Money. Motherfucker. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
Listen, 0 calorie Diet Coke with 0 calorie maple syrup. Who eats eggs with Coke?
Let's get money. Money.
Who the hell eats eggs with Coke? This guy. Because your boy is like trying to... I'm going to hop on the treadmill after this too. Your boy's trying to get back to where he was last summer, baby. Money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags. Cocaine.
Get money, let's get money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money. Let's get
How long did I trade? How long did I trade while before starting with Market Cipher? You just started using it? So I actually started with Market Cipher. I didn't know how to trade without it. And then I learned how to trade without it after. Yo, that's funny as hell. By the way, Nexus, I'm going to tell you guys when I enter here. If you're in here. Anyway, yeah, so I learned after, dude. I didn't even know how to trade without it. And I'll tell you, man, listen. There's no such thing as like a magical indicator, okay? They're all the same. You know, Market Cipher is my indicator of choice when I use an indicator, but I will say this too, like, in my opinion, if you did it the way that I did it, you're going to shoot yourself in the foot. Like, you should learn how to trade without indicators and then use the indicators as like an extra spice. You know, don't rely on them. And that's why I say, and not in an arrogant way, but that's why I say indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. Because I can build my narrative without it. I already know what things are going to look like without. I don't need to see it. I know what I'm looking for. Have I tried Chart Prime? No, I don't even know what that is. All right, let's see if we can get into a little position. Into a little position. Why does Solana keep going down? Was the question. Because we're in our zone. We gotta wait. Look, this was my position. This is my confirmation, right? So I'm waiting for a flip. I don't see any flip here. There's nothing to do. And if you lose this low, you're coming down to here, and it's a better thing if you hit this low because it front ran this order block. This is a swing long. Damn, bro. I have the best music on YouTube. No. We're running that back. Are you kidding me? That shit was hard as hell. Hopefully it goes for new lows, bro. It front ran its shit before. We're ready, man. I was ready for this. I didn't get this long because it front ran it. Okay, here, hold on. Yo. Listen. I'm going to start IRL streaming. Okay, I'm gonna start IRL streaming. And I'm going to Miami next month for Ultra. And I have the Meta sunglasses where you see my POV. So when I'm at my festival, I'm gonna share some clips with you guys. It's gonna be really cool, man. It's gonna be really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna start IRL streaming too. Man, I meet a lot of people. I do a lot of fun shit, you know. I get fucked up and I have a good time. So I'm gonna start our IRL streaming probably here on this channel. So you know, if you're one of 201 concurrent viewers that haven't hit the like button, then please do so. Yeah, man, the IRL streams are gonna be sick, dude. They're gonna be fire. I'm glad. Yo, shout out to Donkey Stonka. What's up, my boy? How are you? How you been? When I trade futures, do I use the 1 minute time frame? Bro, I don't know. I haven't traded futures before, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. I don't know. I attempted to take a look at at ES like over here, and it was like, yo, this looks weird. I'm not even gonna attempt it. So I'm gonna wait for some cleaner, better price action, and yeah, you know. Solana's going for new lows. I hope it does, bro. I hope it does. Because they front ran my level last time. So come back and give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. She's a superstar. Look up WP, take his course. Bye-bye indicator. I mean, if this was a... like chronologically, that's what happened to me. I'll tell you that. I think the sense of this direction you see from market cipher and money flow is good to see, but I'm pretty sure there are other indicators that show that. So market cipher is just an indicator that has like 4 indicators or 5 indicators as one. You know, it's a MACD, it's a money flow index. Damn, that looks like shit. It's a money flow index. It's a MACD. I don't know the other ones. There's RSIs and shit. I never liked RSI. I've never been, I know I'm a retail trader, but I've never thought like retail. I told you guys, I started learning from Tino, who taught me the market maker shit, the smart money shit from the beginning. So right from the beginning, RSIs and all that shit, I never fucked with any of that. I've never used RSI. I don't even know how to use the RSI. I don't like it. I don't use it. I don't personally, and I'm not shitting on anybody that does, you know, to each their own, but I don't like the RSI. It's way too retail for me. Okay, it's way too retail for me. The problem is that if they can diverge infinite times, okay, look, hold on. I'm going to make a video about this. Okay, I'm going to make a video about this. Here's the problem. Here's my problem with oscillators. And I'm going to make a video about this. I've only come to this realization lately. Here's my problem with oscillators. Oscillators have a fixed range that they can bounce between. Okay? Oscillators can only bounce between, let's just use market cipher as the example, between 100 and minus 100. It is impossible for market cipher to go beyond this box. That's a problem. That's a problem. Because when you have all the waves at the highs or all the waves at the lows, it doesn't actually show you what's actually happening. Is it continuing higher? It can't show you that because it's fixed in this range. This is the same with all oscillators, except for open interest and CVD. Open interest and CVD do not have a fixed range that they have to live in. They do not have a fixed range that they have to live in. It is open for all, which means you can see the true, is it truly diverging? It's infinite. You can see the true momentum. Man, guys, hit the like for just that alone, because I guarantee you nobody has ever said that to you before. And now you're going to look at it differently. I'm going to clip this and I'm going to upload it on YouTube. Hi, YouTube, for later. Hit the like button and subscribe. Join the Nexus. Link in the description down below. Guys, I need likes for that alone. For that alone. Tell me that anyone else has ever told you that. What's the timestamp? 1 hour. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Tell me anybody else has told you that. 1 hour, 10 minutes. I'm going to literally put it on the channel. That's why lately I got beef with indicators. That's why. But open interest and CVD is an infinite scale. You're not fixed to anything. So like, look at this. If I come on like the weekly time frame, you can see that since the dawn of Bitcoin, basically, people have been shorting it aggressively. Right? We have bullish macro CVD always on Bitcoin. But you won't see that on any oscillator. Do a rap? Man, you think I know how to rap, bro? I know I'm fine, but the money. I have one rap that I wrote. Here, let me see if I can find it and send it. Uno momento. Dude, how the fuck do I see my favorites on these new updates? I don't know how to use this phone anymore. I just found a pill on the floor. Should we take it? Young, dumb, and broke, but we're trying to get wasted. Bro, where's this video? Brother, where the fuck is this video? Girl on the floor, can we take it? Young, dumb, and broke, but my mother don't wait. Oh, here it is. Told you that I wanted you. Come on, baby, give me my long. Like, hurry up, brother. Give me my long. Give me my Avalon. All right, check it out here. Hold on. You guys are so impatient. Jeez. Hold the phone. All right, here we go.
I know I'm fine, but the money make me handsomer. Turning up the city like
oh my
LeBron.
days. We're gonna run that back. No, we're running that back. We're running it back. Here you go.
I know I'm fine, but the money make me handsomer. Turning up the city like LeBron. As a Cavalier, I'm born for greatness. I respect the hustle. Was asked to be a feature, but I'm the main like Russell, and I deserve the best. No settling for less. The day that I die is the day that I rest.
I know I'm fine, but the money made me handsomer. Turning up the city like LeBron. As a Cavalier, I probably played that on the channel before. Probably have. Or sing some type of shit. Man, I used to sing on the channel all the time. I will, but I'm on my new Mac, and I don't have my my vocal chain on this Mac yet. So I'll get it. Now that we're gonna start streaming again, I'll get it. Explain that to me like you're 5. Explain what to you? What did I say that you wanted to be explained like you're 5? Can you because that was a little bit ago and I didn't check the comments. So can you let me know again? And I'll explain whatever it is that you want like you are 5. I'll try. Will I do at least 3 YouTube lives a week? I don't know yet. But I'm gonna make you mod, God. I'm gonna make you mod. I don't know what the hell you did to get mod from on every other channel, but I'll make you mod here. All right, so if we take this high, see, the problem is we didn't take this low. I want this low to go. If we lose this low, we gotta lose this low. Lose this low, and then take this high, and I will long. If not, then I will not long. But I'm more interested in longing ETH either way. But I want to see, this is good. ETH is building liquidity below. I want to see ETH hit this level. If ETH hits here, we're in business. If it does that, I'll try it, but I prefer it does this. So we'll wait and see. Okay, why does Solana keep going down? I'll tell you why Solana keeps going down. First of all, it's in a long zone right now. Second of all, it's simply just ranging, but this is why it's going down. This wick that we had, right? This wick that we had, it front ran this order block, right? You missed this level. Everyone was so happy here. I missed this long. And this is what happens. This is when structure fails, which is the lesson in the Nexus. Structure fails when you have a level below that level that you missed it. We missed this zone. So what could happen is Solana could form a 1, 2, 3 tap accumulation after it takes that low again. And this is a potential spot buy / swing long area That's my favorite scenario. I've been saying it too. The Nexus knows. This is my favorite scenario. Look, I'm going to show you. Let me show you. I just found a gun out of desert with naked. Guys, I'm going to start IRL streaming. And I don't want to call you guys chat, but that's like the thing to do. Like if I'm like, yo, chat. Here, so look, let me show you in the Nexus, okay? So I did a lot of TA yesterday. I said, look, Sol, 106 remains to be my favorite high time frame zone, which is this. This is my favorite play, which is the same thing right here. I think, is this hidden? Yeah, right there. This is my favorite. This is my favorite play. So if we come down here and I got alerts down here, you better bet your bottom dollar that your boy is going to long this shit out of Solana. But it needs to do that. If not, I'm still looking for longs here, but they're more local. I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'm a very, you know, if this happens, then I'll do this kind of trader, you know? I don't... Yeah. Anyway. Let's come back to BitETC. Let's see what this piece of shit is doing. I want to see that low go. If that low goes, I'll long it. But I need that low to go. Do I need that low to go? Let me just double check and make sure. Do I need that low to go? It's better if the low goes. Better if it does. It's better if it does. You're thinking the CVD? All right, I got you, bro. If you missed the singing, I got you. But I don't have the I don't have the vocal, the nice, the echo and all that shit. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'll save it. I'll save it. Okay. Shouts out to Streepo, says, love the stream, joining the Nexus. Listen, bro, I promise you won't regret it. Like, I promise. Surge, where can you find the music? Remind me in the Discord. Remind me in the Discord, and I'll get it for you. Okay. The open interest in the CVD. All right, let's explain this like you're 5. Okay. Don't clip this. He asked for this. Okay. He asked for this. Don't clip and come at me. Okay, I'm going to explain it like you're 5. Price is price. You know this. You don't need me to explain this. I hope. CVD, long story short, when CVD is declining, that means that shorts are entering the market. Okay? And when CVD is increasing, that means longs. So basically the direction of it is longs or shorts. Simply put. Okay? So obviously this is shorts. Shorts. Okay? Now, with these shorts, open interest is showing you if those positions that are coming in are opening or closing. Okay? So I know maybe that was complicated. Let's make it easy. Up is longs. Down is shorts. Okay? For CVD. For open interest, up is opening. Los, I'm live right now. Join the live. I'm live right now. Bye. Up is positions that are opening, and down is positions that are closing. Okay? So, how can we use this information? If longs are opening, so if open interest is increasing and CVD is increasing, right? If longs are opening, but price is not going higher, by the way, these are only market orders, then that means that, like, why isn't it going higher? If price is increasing, why isn't it going higher? Then that means that people are limit shorting. They are absorbing the longs, and so price is probably going to go down. That is bearish CVD. Alternatively, if positions are opening and those positions are shorts, like right now, right? Objectively, over the course of this macro range, you can see that positions are opening and those positions are shorts. Like there's more shorts than longs. So more people are shorting, yet price is not going down. Why are those prices not going down? Because there are people that are limit longing here and they are absorbing the market shorts. And what happens is when there are no more shorts to absorb, the price will squeeze up. So I hope that helped explain it in like, you know, like you're 5. Like this is bullish right now in this macro range. right now, currently. Which is why I'm trying to gig along ETH. I don't care to long Bitcoin, but I'm trying to long ETH. If they give me this, dude, I want to long ETH. I want to long ETH. Please give it to me. I don't care about everything else. I don't care. I don't care. Just give me ETH. I don't need to be in 10 trades. I'm not that guy. Just give me one big boy. Can I explain exhaustion? Yes. Exhaustion is what you would see on your indicators. So you know how we talked about how indicators are lately for me mad whack because your indicators are they're limited. They're limited between a fixed range. When you have exhaustion on this, it is where you have like a divergence. So if price is making a higher high, but your CVD is making a lower high, and your open interest is decreasing, that means that there's less interest in this area. There's not as many longs opening for this to be a normal, like if this was going to be normal, it would have to take the high again, right? But if it doesn't do that, there's exhaustion. There are no more buyers. It's basically like a fake pump, right? It's like a divergence. That's what you're looking for. It's a normal divergence on your oscillators. But especially when you pair that with open interest decreasing, it's like, why are we making a higher high if the CVD is not making a higher high and open interest is decreasing? That's exhaustion. It's also the same as a short squeeze. So what if ETH goes from where we are? Like, what if it just takes off from here, you mean? Then we're going to have to make adjustments to the plan, bro. Don't think we won't get in. We will get in. Shouts out to Los. I'm teaching developer Los how to trade. He's the one that was texting me, and he's like, dude, ETH looks so bullish. He's been trading for literally 1 day. For literally 1 day. I gave him the Nexus course. He's my cousin. I gave him the Nexus course. He's watching it like... He's like on module 3 for the first time. And he texts me. He's like, dude, ETH is so bullish. Listen, we are looking for longs though. We are looking for long. It hit the zone. Look, I'm not gonna sit here and say it didn't hit the zone. I'm already still in my long, but yeah, dead ass, dude. Guys, we have 138 likes and only 244 people. 200 other way around. You know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, man. What, do you not like me? You don't like my shades? How do we get that indicator? Zach the Trader, go to coinalyze.net. Coinalyze.net here. Coinalyze.net. And then create a free account. And then under the indicators tab here, just type CVD and get the first one, cumulative volume delta. And then under indicators again, just type OI or open interest. And then go to indicators and go open interest. And then this one here. And then make sure that you're using BTC USD.P. So come to the top, go BTC USD.P. And then do the Bybit one. Space Bybit. No. Bybit BTC USD.P. Or... Okay, here's what you do. Just go to the top and write Bybit BTC USD and then click the first one here. The perp. Use that one. Shouts out to Jungle Boy. Libya loves me. Dude, I'm not even Jewish, bro. I'm literally not Jewish, but I love Libya too. I love Libya also. I'm literally, dude, I couldn't be more opposite from Jewish. My people hate Jews. Alright, let's see Ethereum take the low again, boy. Take the ball, take the low, take the low, take the low. I came for the low. If the low goes on Biddy, what am I targeting? I'm targeting down to I would like Bitcoin. Like, you could get a trade off of this SFP, but I would like Bitcoin now. My favorite scenario, and I made a video about this like 3, 4, 5 days ago, is to come down to 93 point, whatever this is, 93.4, 93.5. That's my favorite play. You know, that's my favorite play. But if it goes to if it takes the macro low, then I don't know, dude. I have no levels between like 88K and like 76K. I have almost virtually nothing. So we could see 74K again. Sorry to tell you. Okay. What are some levels for Sui? Sui. Where did my music go, first of all? I can't stand silence, dude. Silence is deafening. All right, there we go. What the fuck? There we go. Okay. Sui. So Sui's in a potential long zone here, but I don't love it. I like Sui. Honestly, I like Sui taking its capitulation candle. Listen, a lot of the coins I like if they take the capitulation candle again. And I've been very vocal about that. Capitulation 2.0, I like that. That's a better, that would be healthier for the market. Because remember, in my opinion anyway, people are still way too entitled. So, you know, they need to, like, I don't know, man. Everybody, like I said, for me, everybody's bullish all the time. So I would like it to take the low again. There is an order block that it missed. It missed it. So if it does that, that would be great. If it doesn't, no problem. I would be looking for longs, honestly, below this low. I'll be looking for longs below this low and below this low. Aside from that, I got nothing else. We're not gonna not come back up. We will come back up, but the question is from where. So we'll see. Wouldn't BTC be falling with ETH? Yes, it would. Very likely. At the dang gym. Shouts out to Dave Digital. Like 151. Shouts out to Dave. Guys, if you like if you like somebody that works, you know, he has discipline. Dave got discipline. He's on Twitter all the time. He hits the gym every single day. You know, something that we're very much so advocates for on this channel. So if you want someone to inspire you at the gym at the very least, Dave is your guy. So check him out on Twitter, Dave Digital. Bro, where can you find my supply and demand videos? I don't have any public videos on supply and demand, and I never will. That's the only thing that I keep completely, we'll call it premium. And now you can find that in the Nexus. So if you want to join, the link is in the description down below. You'll get access to everything. You'll get access to it all. Wait, only 3 times a week? Okay, never mind. Don't follow Dave. No, I'm just kidding. Go check out Dave, man. He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Only follow him on 3 days of the week, though. The days he doesn't go to the gym, unfollow him. Yesterday's video talked about failed demand. If you don't know supply and demand, like I said, you're not gonna get it. And the order blocks are something I keep premium. But Alex, you're the one that's on Twitter that's like always calling me legend, right? That's you? Shouts out to Chef Money. I'll give you the rundown. Shouts out to Streepo We will see you in there, baby. Let's get some tree emojis in the chat, baby. No, it's 100 USD. Bro, we don't do CAD. I'm Canadian. We don't do CAD, bro. We do not do CAD. No shot. Does the VIP Discord come with the courses? No, they come with the courses. So if you purchase the Nexus, you'll get access to everything. Hold on. If you buy the Nexus, you get access to all of this included in your membership. Okay, included in your membership, you get all that. And I'm still uploading it, you know? Still uploading it. The name is legit. The name is all Dak, dude. Dak came up with the Nexus. That wasn't me. That was not me. We brainstormed for hours coming up with the Nexus. And oh my God, the logos. The logos were forever. Okay, man. Come on. Like, let me get into a trade, bro. Hurry up. If we take this high, I might try it. But I got to be aware. You got to be aware of this liquidity below. You have to be aware of that. So if you flip here and you get a reconfirmation, you can try it, but you got to be careful. And this is a breaker block. So what could happen is you could break this, come here, hit this guy, and then fall back down. You got to be aware of that. I don't want that to happen. That's not my preferred scenario. I like how ETH is coiling up here. I like how ETH is generating this liquidity below. Everybody's like, oh my God, there's a dot now. I'm going to long it. I'm missing it. This is good. We like this. I want it to fall. So ETH continues to do this, and then it does this the same time, and then flips from here. I'll long that all day. The same time that Bitcoin hopefully fails its zone. So we'll see. I'm trying to get into a trade, man. I'm trying to get into a trade, man. Trying to get into a trade, man. Your boy's trying to get that rolly this week, man. Boy's trying to get the rolly this week, bro. But I can't do it unless I now make $7,000. It was like I only needed like 4,000 before. But stupid market. Okay, Chef Money. Oh, wait, that was kind of the rundown already. I'm looking for a long on ETH here, but preferably here. And I'm looking for Bitcoin to sweep this low. But honestly, preferably, dare I say, down to 93K. That's the long story short of it. If we do not take this low, the green low, and we come up and we hit anywhere up here, I'm shorting it. So if this happens, I'm going to short it down to here. And Nexus, I will tell you if I do that. The Nexus will know. Because I imagine by the time that happens, we're not going to still be on live. Give us Canadians a discount. That's funny. That's funny. Dude, if I accepted CAD, bro, I would be fucking broke. I would be broke if man, CAD is a piece of shit, dude. No, I'm not in the USA. My number on ETH, I'll tell you the preferred scenario. It doesn't always happen, but the preferred scenario is basically 2,700 to 2675 to 2,700. Thank you, man. The logo, we went back and forth on the logo, man. I want to get a custom roll. One day I want to get a custom Rolex, which I don't even think that they do. But I want to get a custom Rolex with that as my dial. Anyways, for anyone that's interested, check it out because I promise you, there's value in there. Like, I'll even go as far as saying if you don't learn or I'll give you your money back because I know you will. But you have to prove it. Like, don't BS. Can't BS a BSer. Oh, I'm kidding. No refunds. I'm not giving it back because I already know the product is there. All right. Let me get my ass on the treadmill. Your boy got fat, so I gotta get not fat. Ba 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 ba. The lessons are great, and Geo has been on a nasty winning streak. Yeah, I've been. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I've been very, very fortunate. I'm not always this like sniping, but lately, you know, thank God I've been on it, dude. Like I haven't missed in like 3 weeks. Actually, no, that's not true. That's not true. This idea was we'll call this a failed idea. The one on the weekend. But when I gave this idea to the Nexus, I literally said, I'm like, guys, listen. First of all, I'm allowed to lose this one. This idea, look, I mean, it was still in profit. Like, this was it worked. I longed right here. It worked. But obviously the weekend and whatever. And in the update that I gave for this trade, I was like, listen, guys, it's weekend volume. It's holiday volume, you know? So oh my God, I'm like almost dying on this freaking treadmill. So technically, I'm not going to say it was a loss because it moved in the right direction. And then if you took profit, great, you know? Shouts out to India. What's up, India? Indiana. Yo, listen, I have a question. We have 236 people here. Okay, we got 236 people in here. And this is my first stream back. First stream of 2025. And we have 157 likes, which is wonderful. But I want to know which one of you are new. Okay, so this is my first stream of 2025. How many of you is this your very first? Is this your very first live stream that you're seeing live with me now? If it is your very first live stream, let me know. And let me know where you're from while you're at it. Drop some flags. I want to know. But only if it's your very first. I want to see who's like new. All right. Takib says, I have been in many other private discords, but I'm now contemplating joining the Nexus and give it a try, as I feel you guys are catching every trade. Listen, bro, I'm going to tell you this, man. I'm going to tell you this. And don't get me wrong. Do not get me wrong. Okay, I am biased. So I'm telling you that I'm biased, but don't ask me. Don't take my word for it. I'm telling you that I'm biased. Listen to the Nexus. Ask them. Okay? Ask them. Don't ask me. I'm biased. But I believe, man, I've worked very hard to try to do something different, you know? I wish that I had the Nexus when I was learning, dude. I spent like 50K to learn total, like losing and shit. You know? So, yeah. All right, we got some new people. Beautiful, beautiful. Welcome, all my newbies. Welcome to the party, baby. We got the best YouTube. We got the best music in crypto YouTube. That's easy. I'm 5'2" 3/4. Nice to meet you. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. I want to get into a trade, man. This price action's been so boring. But yeah, welcome to everybody that's here. It's a pleasure to have you here. I'm honored to serve you. Thank you. Thank you guys for being here. Bro, how can we improve our TA to derive more confluence levels? Just practice, man. Just practice. You know, I do recommend learning from people that are successful. It doesn't have to be my stuff. It doesn't have to be the Nexus. But I mean, I teach you it all, you know? I teach everything in there. But it doesn't need to be from me, you know? Like, a lot of people don't resonate with the way that I teach. A lot of people do. So it comes down to preference. But find somebody, this is my recommendation, find somebody that knows what they're doing and then stick to them. Don't follow 5-10 different people, because I do TA different than the next person does. So find one system that works, follow that one person, whether it's myself or not. Doesn't have to be me, doesn't have to be the Nexus. There are plenty of good Discords out there, I'm sure. I'm not part of them, I don't really know, but I'm sure there are. You know? But that's what I would recommend. Otherwise, you're gonna just go on YouTube and find a lot of shit. I find a lot of people have no idea what the hell they're talking about. And what I will tell you as well is that the longer that I've been doing this and the more I like become friends with creators and the more I just like look around, man, nobody has a freaking clue. Nobody has a clue. Nobody has a clue. All right, ETH is coming down. Good. This is what we like. We like it. We like it. We like it. We like it. Shorty, get down, good lord. Getting all waiting all over ground now. Strictly, bitch, you don't play around. Getting much brown, getting based by the sound. Having sex is a forte. Each and every day, don't get away. I can't get her out of my mind. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. How do I backtest? Just go to a previous time, like, here's what you do. Go to the replay tool. Go to random bar. Go to random bar. And then, like, make sure you're on a price that makes sense. Right? Like, if you're on Bitcoin, don't go to like $100 Bitcoin. Like, that's not relevant to today's time. Right here, like, I mean, I know where we're at. Go to a random time that makes sense. Go to like 40,000 or something. Here, 60,000. And then just pretend to trade here. Right? Come on like a decent time frame, 15 minute, whatever. And then try to trade, forward some candles. Don't rush into it. Forward some candles. Understand your liquidity, understand where things are, do your TA, build your narrative, and then place your trade. And that's all you can do. And then go back and learn. Why did it work? Why did it not work? And you know what? Everybody always talks about back testing, and no one gives enough credit to forward testing. Because there's nothing like forward testing. Like, the narrative is never going to be the same. You're never going to have the exact same situation. So when you're forward testing, you can at least like know what's going on or what you thought in the moment, Like right now, I know what I'm thinking in the moment. So if I'm wrong, I can at least reference what I know, like what I thought in real time. It's not like just in back testing and I was wrong, That's how I do it. Bro, I've been following your TA for a while. It's been good. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. What trader I said earlier for my technical analysis? I've learned from many people. I've learned from a lot. Hey, Joe, so if we get the Nexus, we don't have to pay for each individual course. No, you do not. So listen, let me clarify, okay? I'm going to clear this up anyways. The Nexus is the Nexus. The boot camps are the boot camps. These 4 boot camps I recorded them in October of 2023. Okay? So you don't need, like, the entire course is covering everything. This is like live classes I did. Each one is 3 hours. The course, which is not complete yet, okay? I'm going to be very transparent. The course is not complete yet. Okay? I'm working on it still, but I'm updating it as I go. This is the beauty of having it part of your memberships, is I don't need to have the whole thing done and released. I can do it module by module so that you guys don't have to wait. And that's what's happening right now. You guys don't have to wait. What's going on? Hold on. ETH is bumping. Okay, ETH just took the low. Good. We're getting to where we need to get to. Very good. So, what I'm saying is, I can update it as we go. I can add lessons as we go, but I'm meticulously planning it, and I'm on purpose making it not boring. A lot of courses are so boring, and yeah, like a lot of courses are super boring. This is like clear, concise, to the point, very calculated, and it's like, this is what you are looking for. And then in the Nexus, you guys, like, I'm updating all the time. I have my levels, I have my TA, I have my real-time updates, which I update. Look, I told the Nexus earlier today to watch for 2,700 ETH. Are we at 2,700 ETH yet? No, we're not. So the Nexus knows. Like, they know that I'm waiting for this level. They know what I'm doing the whole time. Every step of the way, they know what I'm doing. Okay? They know that Bitcoin is probably going to come to 93K. Things change, and that's why I have my real-time channel, right? But they know. They're aware of it. So, it's full circle, because you get to learn, but then you get to see me apply it every day, right? You get to see me apply it. And then I have, like, my course examples, and I reference. Anyways, yeah. So the boot camps are separate. I'm going to discontinue the boot camps because it's not worth it. The Nexus is cheaper. Yes, it's a subscription, but you're going to get more knowledge. You get everything. You get the live streams. You get the narratives. You get everything else. So it's way better. In my opinion, it's way better. I am going to discontinue the boot camps. They're old. They're not concise. Like, they're long. This is like short, concise, to the point, not boring. you know, and it gives it to you exactly how it is. And then you can jump in and practice and learn and see what I'm doing. And I explain everything all the time. Anyway. Chris, what's up? How are you? Okay, what's the questions here? Geo breaks it down so the average Joe can understand it totally worth. Yeah. I already answered. Damn, so it's definitely worth getting it, making money. I mean, listen, I don't always hit, but we've been smashing it lately. I'll say that. I will say that. So, can I look at Sol? Solana. Yeah, Sol is coming to this low. Sol is gonna come take this low. Preferably, Sol is coming down to 167. That's the preferred scenario. And then we can gig along it from here. That's the preferred scenario. I've already had this ready and ready to go. I wouldn't long here personally. You could do whatever you want. I am not a financial advisor. I haven't hit this disclaimer in a while. All content presented is a complete joke. It should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real, and the Earth is flat. Okay, so I'm not telling you to long, and I'm not telling you to short, and I have no credentials to tell you to long or to short. So do not listen to me. I would not long here, personally. You do whatever you want to do. How do you stop napping? Molly. Okay, let me get you sorted out here. I don't want to make you wait. Let me find your ticket. Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. Oh, yeah. Is this you? Legit 39 whatever? Is that you? All right. Let me sort you out, brethren. Rhythm of the night. Oh, this is gonna get copyrighted. The night. It is the rhythm of the night. What the fuck is going on right now? Hold on. Oh my days. Guys, I have to say, man, it's good to be back on YouTube. Good to be back. It's good to have you all here. I have thoroughly enjoyed today's stream. I must say. Coupons. Sure. Whatever. This is the rhythm of the night. Hold on. Hold the phone. The night. Oh, yeah. Oh, you're right. Okay. The rhythm of the night. Brethren, are we missing our trades right now or what? What's up with it? What the fuck is going on, dude? Okay, go to that website and use this code. And let me know if you have any problems. You shouldn't. Okay, let me bring back the chat. This is the rhythm of the night. Thank you, Drew. I learned a lot from my complete bootcamp bundle. Beautiful, man. I'm glad you learned. Trump. Man, fuck Trump, dude. That stupid coin fucked up the whole market. Anyway, there's a potential long here on Trump. This is like an entire long zone. So, targeting all this liquidity. Up to like $32. I guess we should be paying attention to Trump, shouldn't we? Let's move these guys over. I actually like this zone holding. There actually might be a long right now. There might be a long literally right now. Let's bring up market cipher and see what it looks like. Yeah, there might be a long literally right now. If you do long here, in my opinion, and I'm not telling you to because I'm not a financial advisor and I can't tell you to, I would recommend putting your stop loss below 16.6. But it can come down lower because this entire thing is a zone. So I'm not longing. I'm waiting for structure. But there might be a long literally right now. This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not longing it, but I'm trying to long ETH, man. I don't really care to long these shit coins. And yes, the president's coin is a shit coin. It is garbage. Ooh, but this did sweep liquidity. To be honest, it's not bad. It's not a bad spot. It's not a bad spot. Maybe I will long it. This is the rhythm of the night. The night. I don't even think... I think I've taken 2 trades on Trump and I've lost both. Lost both. So. Ooh, this is a good song. This is a great song. Great song. All right. What are we doing? Man, I'm trying to get into a trade for real. Ow. I was born in a city. Order blocks fibs. Yeah, well, most of the time, the reason why fibs work is because there's an order block there. But the people just don't know that. Anyway, there might actually be a long on Trump literally right now. How long if it does this? If it goes like this, takes that high, and then comes back and does that, I'll long it here. And I'll go stop here or stop here. Well, I'm more interested in ETH. What is ETH doing? I want to long ETH. Daddy wants to long ETH. And I will sacrifice. I will sacrifice. To turn me down. BTC looks pretty bullish off that OB. The problem is now we're too close to this low. We're too close to it. We're too close. I don't like how close we are to it. So I need to see some structure flips here. And either way, like I said many times, I'm more interested in longing Ethereum. I don't really care to long Bitcoin at the moment. Is this going to be the 100 ETH long? No. This should have been. This one should have been. But what I will say is if we come down to here, I will 100 ETH long. I will 100 ETH long that. I will. Okay, guys, give me a sec. I gotta go use the bathroom. Use the restroom for you Americans. Be right back. All right, let's check Solana. Check Pepe, Pepecito. $1,000 pep. Dude, this is disgusting, bro. That shit is crazy. If there's gonna be a long here, wait, let's hide this shit. If there's gonna be a long, and if there's gonna be a long, it's now. And it's gonna be, that's your zone. You could even SFT it. You actually probably will SFT it. You probably will. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, here's your long. Your long's here. That's gonna be your long. So people are gonna long here. People are gonna get fucked. And then it's gonna do this. You know, like this. It's gonna do this exactly. It's gonna go pop, pop. That's probably, ooh, maybe not though. See, I don't like any of this fucking liquidity, dude. Pepe is hard right now. Pepe is hard right now. This is actually my favorite one. Put some alerts. Oh, she's a gold digger. Well, down.
Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. 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 Get that girl, gon' head. She need a bomb, met her at a beauty salon with a baby Louis Vuitton under her underarm. She said, I can tell you rock, I can tell by your charm. Fars girls, you got a flock, I can tell by your charm and your arm, but I'm looking for the one. Have you seen her? My psychic told me she can have an ass like Serena, Trina, Gina for Lopez, 4 kids, and I gotta take all they bad asses, show this. Okay, get your biz, but then they got their friends. I put up in the bins, they all got a bin, we all went to den, and then I had to pay. If you fucking with this girl, then you better be paying. You know why? Take too much to touch her. From what I heard, she got a baby by Buster. My best friend said she used to fuck with Usher. I don't care what none of y'all say, I still love her. I ain't saying she a gold digger. 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 Gold digger. I ain't saying she a gold digger. Gold digger. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Now I ain't saying she a gold digger. She ain't mixing with no broke niggas. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that. Get that girl, gon' head, get that girl, gon' head, get that. 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 Get that girl, gon' head, get that.
This is my favorite play for Pepe. So this one, I would long it here. If we get a supply to demand flip, I would short it here. And then I would long it here. And this would likely be a fast wick. This I would. You would probably have to catch this knife. You'd probably have to catch that knife. That's the play. All right, let me sing one for y'all. We're gonna keep it OG, and then I'm gonna go. And I have no edits. I got no vocal edits. I got no echo. But we're gonna treat it like it's Rock Friday, baby. Hey, hey, hey. How do we sound? Do we sound good? Are the mic levels good? What's up with it, baby? Are we gonna take it back? Hold on. Let me get off this treadmill right now. How do we sound? You're not shy. You get around. You wanna fly. Don't want your feet on the ground. You stay up. You won't come down. You wanna live. You wanna move to the sound. You got fire in your veins. Insane. I can't hear myself. That's the problem. Are the levels good? Am I clipping? All right, let's run it back. But sometimes I wonder, as I look in your eyes, maybe you're thinking of some other guy, but I know how to treat you right. That's why you call me in the middle of the night and say it's urgent. So urgent. Am I better? So urgent. I got no echo, nothing, man. I'm dry right now. Hold on, let me see if I can. Around, you wanna fly. Don't want your feet on the ground. You stay up. You won't come down. You wanna live. You wanna move to the sound. You got fire in your veins, burning on, but you don't feel the pain. Your desire is insane. You can't stop until you do it again. It's urgent. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for a great stream. This one was fun, man. I'm gonna keep doing the streams. I'm gonna keep doing the streams until they're no longer fun. And this one was fun. So I will see you guys again very shortly. Thank y'all for kicking it with me. And I will see you in the next one. My friends, it is a pleasure to serve you all again. Happy 2025, and I will see you guys next time.
Set my heart on fire.